Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically in this video I will be discussing about the Delhi NCR campus of SRM University. Actually in my comment section I have got most of the comment to tell you about the Delhi NCR campus of SRM University. So here I am with the video. I suggest you to watch the video till the end to know each and everything regarding SRM University Delhi NCR campus. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so let's start the video with the establishment year. This university was established in the year 1997 and the engineering department of this campus was started in the year 2005. Now let's talk about the campus size. Basically this campus is, the size of this campus is 27 acres and it's quite okay when we talk about the region like Delhi. Now let's talk about the courses offered here. This campus provides us with the courses like UG, PG and PhD courses. Now let's talk about what is SRM Modi Nagar all about. Basically, it's a deemed university. In short, you can say it's a off-campus of SRM KTR campus only. This means you will get a degree of BTech in the name of SRM KTR campus only. It's a plus point rather than being studying in the Delhi NCR campus. Also, you will be given the degree certificate of SRM KTR campus only. This will give a great impact in your CV when you will go for off-campus placements or in-campus placement because the campus of the university matters most. Now let's talk about the branding. Being a deemed university, it's give an advantage like there is a limited seat matrix. That means only a quality students or a limited students you will get in the campus in your class. That means unnecessary students will not be there. Only the student capable of that campus will be seen there. Now, talking about the recognition, this campus is recognized by MHRD and given the category that is A. It's the best category the university can get. And now, talking about the NAC grade, it's given A++, which is again a great grade when come to NAC grade. So, you can trust this university and you can trust this campus also. Now, talking about the ROI, that is return of investment, it is quite okay when we talk about the other universities, private universities like MET and other private universities. This university has a great ROI. Now talking about the eligibility criteria which most of us want to know. So basically the eligibility criteria is quite simple. Only 50% is the minimum criteria you need, that is with the PCM subject or PCB, whichever stream you choose. Now talking about the placements. Placement is quite okay when we talk about, basically I will talk about the 2020 batch to tell you a better experience because the latest stats give you the best experience or best knowledge you can say. Last year in the 2020 batch, 5 students got the placement of 20 to 25 lakhs per annum and 1 student got the highest placement, that was 32 lakhs per annum. Now the total offers placed by the companies were 1000 plus offers, and when we talk about the mass recruiters, there were 800 plus offers were made. Now talking about how many companies visit this campus is 600 plus companies visit this campus. Now talking about the average placements, when we talk about the branch like CS and IT, you will get a decent placement of 5.5 LPA, and when we talk about the other branches, you will get a decent placement of 4.5 LPA. Now talking about the seat matrix, this campus comprises of 5000 plus seats and the teacher ratio is 100 plus teachers are present here. Let's talk about the fee structure of the academics of Delhi NCR campus SRM University. Delhi NCR campus not only gives BTech as a course but also gives the huge variety of courses like BBA, PhD, MBA, BSc, BCA and etc. Now let's talk about the fees of each of the courses. BTech fees is on an average 2.5 lakhs for each and every courses present there. Now talking about BBA, the fees is 1.75 lakhs per annum. Now talking about PhD, the fees is 1.67 lakhs, followed by MBA, which costs a bit more expensive than compared to other courses. Its fees is 2.86 lakhs. Talking about BCA, BA and MS, the fees is similar, that is 88,500 rupees. Now this was the complete fee structure detail for the academic sessions of Delhi NCR campus SRM University. So yeah, now let's talk about the fee structure of the hostels of Delhi NCR campus SRM University. Basically the hostel is divided into two parts, that is old campus and new campus. Old campus is quite expensive when compared to new campus. Now let's talk about the fees. AC rooms of old campus is 62,500 and the non-AC rooms cost 45,000. When talk about the new campus, the AC rooms cost 42,500 and the non-AC rooms cost 25,000 only. So now it's up to you what you want to choose, and this is related to the hostel fee of SRM University Delhi NCR campus. So I hope this was a brief knowledge regarding the Delhi NCR campus. Hope I have covered all the points and all your doubts are cleared. So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with more of the knowledge regarding SRM University in the further videos. Guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to get the latest updates regarding my channel. And hope you like this video. Thank you.